Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a French Beurre Blanc sauce. Beurre meaning butter, Blanc white, so it's a white wine butter sauce that works great with seafood dishes. I personally like to use it with fish, shrimp, scallops, lobster. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. We'll need 1 shallot, 2 sticks of cold butter, some heavy cream which is optional, white wine, and white vinegar. Start by cutting the butter into cubes and placing it back in the fridge to stay cold. Then, finely chop the shallot. You can use the dry white wine of your choice. I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc, but you can also use a Chardonnay or a Pinot Grigio. Measure half cup of white wine and add it to a heavy pan. Then add 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar and the chopped shallots. Bring the mixture to a boil and reduce it to about 1/3 of the original volume. Then add a nice splash of cream and reduce it further until only a few tablespoons of liquid are left. The cream is optional, but it helps to stabilize the sauce and adds a nice rich flavor. When the mixture is well reduced, lower the heat to the lowest setting or turn the heat off. Start to incorporate the butter a few cubes at a time, whisking constantly. Keep adding new cubes and whisking vigorously. As the butter melts into the sauce, it will emulsify and thicken. If you turn the heat off and the butter stops melting, turn the heat back on in low. If you left the heat on, control and lift the pan off the heat from time to time as you don't want the butter to heat too much and separate. When done incorporating the butter, the sauce should have a nice and creamy texture. At this point, season the sauce with some salt and a pinch of cayenne or white pepper. You can either serve the sauce with the shallots or pass it through a mesh sieve. Serve the sauce immediately, or keep it in your lowest burner with a flame diffuser at very low temperature, so the sauce doesn't simmer and separates. Beurre Blanc sauce works great with fish, seafood, and vegetables. You can also add herbs like chives, tarragon, or saffron for different variations. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.